Hi, welcome back to Ranju's Cafe. Today we are going to make millet chivda. It's a very healthy snack for tea time and it's a guilt-free snack as it's millets. Let's see how to make it. Take a iron kadai, heat it up and pour some oil. Add 2 cups of millet flakes. You can take jowar, bajra, any millet flakes. Here I have taken little millet. Roast it until it's crispy. It's crispy now. Now we can remove it from the iron kadai. Again pour some oil in the iron kadai. Heat it up. Add some curry leaves once it's hot. Roast it for some time. Add the chutney dal. Then ground nuts. Then some cashews. You can add the nuts whichever you want. Roast it until it is light brown. Now we'll add some spice. For spiciness, we'll add some chili powder. Add some salt as per your taste. Then add the roasted millet flakes. Mix it well. Give it a nice mix. Our millet chivda is ready. Now you can enjoy it with the tea. It's packed with nutrients. It's guilt-free snack. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.